Okay.
The firecracker, am I just dropping it in there?
Post this on YouTube here. This is blowing up the gingerbread house part 2.
There's a firecracker.
And we just put a smoke bomb down it. Now we're gonna blow it up. Okay, let's do it.
Okay, Mom.
You need to have somebody else talking. Wait a minute. You know what you're doing?
Yeah, why didn't Jeff? You should
Drop it down. Okay, let's do it.
I'm big boy. It's okay.
Ready?
When you want, yeah.
Here.
Why?
Mom, we lit
Ready?
too.
This is a war.
Hold it in the chimney. Here it goes. Yeah.
It's gone. It's gone. Yeah.
So, that was blowing up the gingerbread house. Got shrapnels here.
I have the door.
Probably let our dog eat it. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Nope.
See how it turned out.
I have a crackling ball. I'm gonna ride it off right under here.
That's a gingerbread house.
Mom, I have a crackling ball. I'm gonna blow it off.
You do that. Maybe because they're outdated.
Well,
And that's blowing up our gingerbread house. Please subscribe.